Hi everyone, this is Spring from IBM Level 2 support team in Asia Pacific region. Today I will show you how to install and configure standalone FileNet container 5.9 from ground up on Kubernetes. Okay, let's start it. The agenda consists of 6 parts. At part 1, I will show you the overview of standalone FileNet cluster container architecture from high level. At part 2, I will show you the Kubernetes cluster install on Red Hat 8. At part 3, I'll give a briefly introduction for standalone FileNet cluster prerequisite. Part 1, such as Docker registry preparation, and how to download NFS provisioner, and how to download FileNet container sample. At part 4, I will continue with cluster prerequisite. I will show you how to load the container images while load image.shell, and also how to prepare the script for silent install of content operator, and also the JDBC driver preparation for the brand new FileNet 5.9. At part 5, I will show you how to prepare the database and the LDAP server. And also, I will briefly go through the CR customer resource YAML. At the last part, part 6, I will go through the ingress configuration, as there is a major change in Kubernetes 1.21. Okay, let's check the standalone FileNet 5.9 container overview. I mainly refer the following knowledge center link, and I will also attach that link and the YouTube video. Previously, I also published the video series air-gap install of CPU4BA using Ansible for automation. And in this series, similarly, I will use Ansible playbook to describe the steps I performed. And it consists of two major phases. The phase A covers the Kubernetes install and configuration. The phase B involves FileNet cluster install and deployment. Okay, here's the overview of FileNet container install based on Kubernetes, where you can see actually in my lab environment, I have one master node, and also this master node serves as an FS server and a container registry server. Also, I have two worker nodes, and we perform the online install of FileNet container install. So from the public internet, Kubernetes cluster will interact with IBM entitled registry. And also from internet, actually, FileNet pods will interact with a database and LDAP server in internal network. Okay, I think that's it for this part 1. Thanks for watching.